Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you the adjustment settings that I use in Capcut and InShot to edit my videos. A lot of people ask me how I make my videos look clean, bright and aesthetic. So I decided to make this video for you. Actually, one of my viewers requested this video in the comment section. So thank you for the strugglation. I always try to create content that helps my audience, and I hope this tutorial will be useful for as well. For those who are wondering, I am using a Samsung Galaxy S21 for my editing and content creation. The settings I share in this video work well for me, but you can adjust the according to your own videos and lighting conditions. In this tutorial, I will explain each adjustment step by step, including brightness and other important settings. These small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. Also, you may notice that I am not using any background music in this video. The reason is simple. I want to avoid copyright issues on YouTube. Using copyrighted music can sometimes problems, so I prefer to keep my videos safe and copyright free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to create more helpful tutorials like this. Now let's start the voice and take a look of the settings. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a beautiful day.